Hello, explorers. Welcome to our journey. Today, we visit a beautiful and quiet place. This is the forest. Look at the tall trees. The trees are green and strong. The forest is very big. It is a home for many animals. Can you hear the wind? The wind moves the leaves slowly. It is a peaceful morning. We are here to find a special animal. Are you ready to explore with me? Look at the ground. The grass is wet and green. The water in the stream is cold and clear. The forest is full of life. Many animals drink this water. They walk on this soft moss. The forest is a safe place for them. It is quiet, but the animals are here. They are watching and listening. Can you see any animals? Not yet. Let's walk slowly and look carefully. Wait. Look at the mud. What is this? It is a footprint. It is a very large footprint. This animal has big paws. It has sharp claws. Is it a dog? No, it is bigger than a dog. This animal is strong and fast. The footprint is fresh. The animal was here a short time ago. Who does this footprint belong to? Let's follow the trail quietly. Do you see that? Something is moving behind the trees. It is a gray shadow. It moves very silently. It does not make a sound. This animal is a master of hiding. It is cautious and smart. Is it the animal from the footprint? Yes, I think so. Let's move closer, but be very quiet. We don't want to scare it. Look, there it is. It is a wolf, a beautiful gray wolf. Look at its thick fur. The fur is gray, white, and black. It keeps the wolf warm in the cold forest. Look at its eyes. Its eyes are bright and intelligent. The wolf is not scary. It is majestic. It is watching us. It is curious about us, just as we are curious about it. This is a wild animal, and it is very strong. The wolf walks slowly. It moves with grace. Every step is careful. Why does it walk like that? It is looking for information. The wolf uses its nose to smell the trees. It can smell other animals. It can smell its friends. For a wolf, the forest is full of smells. Each smell tells a story. It is like reading a book with its nose. The wolf is not alone. Look, more wolves are coming. This is a pack. A pack is a family of wolves. They live together, they hunt together, they protect each other. In a pack, every wolf has a job. They are very social animals. They love their family. See how they touch noses? That is how they say hello. They are happy to be together. Can you hear that sound? That is a howl. The wolves are howling. It is a loud and beautiful sound. Why do wolves howl? They howl to talk to other wolves. A howl can travel very far. It can travel 10 miles. It tells other packs, this is our home. It also helps a lost wolf find its family. It is the song of the wild. Now, the pack is moving. They run together. They are very fast. A wolf can run for a long time. They have strong legs and big hearts. They are looking for food. When they hunt, they work as a team. They communicate with their bodies and eyes. No wolf hunts alone. They are stronger when they are together. This is the secret of their survival. Every pack has a leader. We call the leader the alpha. The alpha is usually the father or the mother. The alpha is smart and experienced. The alpha decides where the pack goes and when the pack eats. The other wolves follow the alpha. It is a family with rules. These rules keep everyone safe. The alpha cares for every member of the family. Look, baby wolves. We call them pups. They are so small and cute. They have soft fur. These pups are only a few months old. They are very playful. They play to learn how to hunt and fight. The whole pack helps to take care of the pups. If the mother goes to hunt, another wolf stays to babysit. The pups are the future of the pack. Did you know that a wolf has a super nose? Their sense of smell is amazing. It is 100,000 times better than a human nose. A wolf can smell an animal from 2 miles away. They can even smell if an animal is scared or sick. For a wolf, smelling is like seeing. It is their most important tool for finding food and staying safe. The sun goes down and the moon comes out. The forest is dark now, but the wolf can see very well in the dark. Wolves are active at night. They hunt when it is cool and quiet. The moonlight shines on the wolf's fur. It looks like silver. The wolf is a creature of the night. It is comfortable in the shadows. After a long day, the wolves rest. They sleep close to each other to stay warm. They feel safe with their family. The forest is quiet now. The wolves will wake up and start again tomorrow. Their life is simple, but hard. They work hard to survive. We can learn a lot from the wolf. we can learn about teamwork and family.
Let's remember what we learned today. Wolves live in the forest. They live in a family called a pack. They howl to talk to each other. They have a leader called the alpha. They have an amazing sense of smell, and they love and protect their pups. Wolves are smart, strong, and beautiful animals. Thank you for exploring the forest with us today. I hope you enjoyed learning about wolves. Practice your English and keep exploring the world. There are so many amazing things to see. See you in our next adventure. Goodbye, explorers!